Noong pumanaw nga ang superstar na si Nora Aunor nitong April 16 ay marami nga ang nagtanong kung may dumating bang kamag-anak, pinsan, pamangkin, kapatid o mayroon ba talagang relatives na nandoon. Actually kahit ang media ay walang inilabas, kahit ang mga kapatid or mga anak niyang sina Lotlot, Ian, Matet, Kenneth, and Kiko ay walang sinabi hinggil dito or hindi rin naman talaga naitanong ng social media or ng mga reporters kung may mga kamag-anak bang nagpunta roon, dumalaw para makita sa huling pagkakataon ng superstar na si Nora Aunor. Well, marami nga ang nagtatanong, may mga buhay pa bang kapatid ang nasabi nga pong superstar? Well, mula sa isang artikulo, Nora Aunor Early Life and Education. Nora Aunor was born in Barrio San Francisco, Iriga, Camarines Sur in Bicol Region. Her parents are Antonia Cabaltera and Eustacio Villamayor. She has 9 more siblings including Eddie Villamayor, a former actor. When Nora was growing up, it was her grandmother, Lola Teresa, who taught her how to sing, and the first song she learned was The Way of a Clown. So, ibig sabihin, may kapatid palang artista din si Nora. Siya ba ay nakapag-artista bago si Nora o nauna si Nora Aunor? Dahil ayon sa story or history, si Nora Aunor ang naging breadwinner ng pamilya. Mamay Belen aunt on the other hand taught her the right diction, interpretation and expression while singing and took her under their custody, and from whom she got her screen name. Nora became a champion at the Darigold Jamboree singing contest, singing her winning piece, You and the Night and the Music, and after that, she won another singing contest. The Liberty Big Show, Nora entered the national singing contest Tawag ng Tanghalan, where she was defeated on her first try and became a champion on her second try. The Grand National Finals of Tawag Tanghalan on May 29, 1967, where she sang Moonlight Becomes You. Nora went to Mabini College 5960 when she was in grade 1 and transferred to Nicolas Airbase Elementary School 60 and 62 when she reached grade 2 and grade 3. She then entered Iriga Central Elementary School 62 and 64 as a grade 4 and 5 student and went back to Mabini Memorial College 65 and 66. She then transferred to Centro Escolar University Parañaque, where she became a student on her second and third year high school, and again 70 and 71 as a fourth year high school. Well, hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa nga nasasagot ang tanong, may buhay pa nga bang kamag-anak o kapamilya bukod sa kanyang mga anak, si Nora Aunor? Yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.